When Knoxville homeowners think about improving their property's value, big renovations often come to mind. However, one of the most effective and often overlooked upgrades is replacing old windows. In a city like Knoxville, where seasonal weather changes and curb appeal matter, replacement windows can make a noticeable difference in both everyday comfort and long-term home value. First impressions matter in Knoxville neighborhoods. Curb appeal plays a major role in how a home is perceived, especially in Knoxville's diverse neighborhoods where charm and character are highly valued. Old, cracked, or foggy windows can make a home look dated and poorly maintained. New replacement windows instantly refresh the exterior, giving your home a cleaner, more modern appearance. Buyers often form opinions within seconds of arriving at a property. Updated windows signal that the home has been cared for, which can make buyers more confident about the rest of the house. This positive first impression can translate directly into higher offers and faster sales. Energy efficiency is a major selling point. Knoxville experiences hot, humid summers and chilly winters, making energy efficiency a top concern for homeowners and buyers alike. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced insulation, multiple panes, and low emissivity coatings that help regulate indoor temperatures. By reducing drafts and heat transfer, new windows help keep heating and cooling costs under control. For potential buyers, lower monthly energy bills are a strong incentive. Energy-efficient upgrades like replacement windows often increase perceived value because buyers know they will save money long after moving in. Increased comfort adds real value. Home value isn't just about numbers, it's also about how a home feels. Replacement windows can significantly improve indoor comfort by reducing outside noise, eliminating cold spots near windows, and allowing more natural light into living spaces. Knoxville homeowners who invest in new windows often notice a quieter, more comfortable home environment. When buyers tour a house and feel consistent temperatures and a peaceful interior, they are more likely to view the home as high quality and worth a premium price. Lower maintenance appeals to buyers. Older windows often require frequent repairs, repainting, or even temporary fixes to address leaks and drafts. Replacement windows made from modern materials like vinyl or fiberglass are designed for durability and minimal upkeep. For buyers, low-maintenance features are highly attractive. Knowing they won't have to deal with peeling paint, rotting frames, or constant repairs adds confidence and reduces future ownership concerns. This peace of mind can boost a home's market value in a competitive Knoxville real estate market. Strong return on investment. Replacement windows consistently rank among the home improvements with the best return on investment. While the upfront cost is important to consider, homeowners often recoup a significant portion of that expense when selling their home. In Knoxville, where buyers look for move-in ready homes, updated windows can set your property apart from others on the market. Even if you're not planning to sell immediately, the combination of energy savings, comfort, and improved appearance delivers ongoing value. A smart upgrade for Knoxville homeowners. Replacing your windows is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in your home's performance, comfort, and resale appeal. For Knoxville homeowners who want to increase property value without major structural changes, replacement windows offer a practical and impactful solution. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more efficient and attractive home, new windows can enhance your property today while strengthening its value for the future.